Hello there. This is Nisi from Nisi's Closet, and it's time to learn a new stitch. Today, I'm going to show you how to do the bobble stitch. Very easy. It's almost like the popcorn. I haven't shown you how to do that yet, but that's coming soon. For right now, I'm going to teach you how to do the bobble stitch. What you're going to do, you're going to go into the next chain. You're going to go in, you're going to pull the yarn out, pull through two. You're going to do it again, pull through two. You're going to do it a third time, pull through two, and you're going to do it one more time. You're doing it 4 times. You're going to go in, pull the yarn through, but this time you're going to pull through 2 and then pull through all 5 and single crochet in the next stitch. Once again, you're going to wrap, you're going to go into the single crochet, you're going to pull the yarn through, pull through 2, wrap, pull the yarn through, pull through 2, wrap in the same stitch, pull the yarn through, pull through 2. Right now you have 4 stitches on the hook. You're going to wrap, you're going to go in again, you're going to pull the yarn out, you're going to pull through 2, and then you see 5 stitches, pull through all 5, single crochet in the next. See how that is? See how it's looking? Once again, you're going to wrap, go into the next single crochet, because you single crochet right after the row that you've done the bobble stitch. You're going to pull the yarn through, pull through 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull through 2 and then pull through all 5 and go into the next stitch and single crochet. You're going to wrap, go into the next stitch, pull the yarn through, pull through 2, wrap, go into the same stitch, pull through 2, wrap, pull through 2, that's 4, wrap, pull through 2, and then pull through all 5, and then single crochet in the next. This is your bobble. I'm going to do one more. Wrap, pull the yarn through, pull through 2. You're going to wrap, go into the stitch, pull the yarn through, pull through 2. Pull through 2, one more time. Pull through 2, and then pull through all 5, and then single crochet in the last single crochet. And then the next row you chain 1 and you turn. As you can see, the bobble stitches. And you single crochet in all the single crochets and in the bobble stitch. See, this is the bobble stitch right here. See this opening? That's where you do your single crochet. And then there's a single crochet here. And then you go right into the bobble stitch, single crochet. Single crochet in the single crochet. Single crochet in the bobble stitch, single crochet, single crochet. Okay, this is how you do the bobble stitch. Please like, comment, and subscribe so I know that you're understanding what I'm doing. I'm new at this. I want to get better, but I won't know if I'm not doing a good job if you don't tell me or if you don't understand. So take care till next time.